And another example is the Greenlandic Inuit. A huge part of their diet was marine mammals that have really high lipid content. And so they actually evolved to be able to better metabolize those lipids so that it wouldn't, kill them from heart disease or something like that. So yeah, diet as a driver of selection is extremely strong. So it may be that this has been shaping our species in ways that we don't even know.
Super interesting. So in this group of Korean women divers, what's going on with their cardiovascular system? Earlier we were talking about how this might have implications for oxygen utilization in the brain and body and potential disease treatment ramifications.
Yeah, so we found two different adaptations. And I say adaptation, but there's kind of adaptation in a physiological sense, this thing that you can do by training, or adaptation in a genetic sense. And we have found one of each. So the training adaptation that we found was that I mentioned before that when you dive, your heart rate slows down to try to conserve oxygen. So their heart rate through a lifetime of training slows down even more. So we could actually, you could visually see this when they were doing these dives. Watching their heart rate, you could just see it plummeting. We had one individual whose heart rate dropped more than 40 beats per minute in less than 15 seconds.
Yikes.
So really dramatic. And the reason that we think that that's a training adaptation rather than a genetic adaptation was that it was only true in the divers. So non-divers with the same genetics didn't have this phenomenon. So that was, that has, it's interesting to think about what the potential health benefits of that could be